How's it, everyone? Welcome to the study plan. My name is Kumu Kim, and in this episode, we are going to be covering spelling words from week 9 from Evermore. Main idea. Week 9 spelling words from Evermore. We're going to be covering the phonetic spelling so we can support with the sounds in words to help our students, children, or other teaching staff with being able to break apart the sounds in the words to better help the children we work with. All right, let's break it down. So you see, for our second grade words, we have 3 different categories. The first one, CV, for the words us and yous. And even though the letter E is in that word use right there, it still only makes 2 sounds because that E is silent. Same thing applies to our CVC words for the words some, come, and home. The E is silent, so that's why it only makes 3 sounds instead of 2. And our last one, multisyllabic words. Fun, ni, run, ning, right? 2 syllables. All right, our first word, us, 2 sounds, s. Go ahead and try and spell. All right, let's break it down. You, oops, U, letter U, and S. S. If you got this, good job. Next word is use. So here in the middle, you're hearing a Z. Okay, it is not a Z. So make sure we don't put that there. All right, so use, U, Z. 2 sounds. All right, let's break it down. You saying its name. Okay, well, that's easy enough. Z. What letter makes Z besides the letter Z? So that's going to be S. And then silent E, which that E jumps over to make the U say its name right there. So here we go. We're going to do our first silent E bopper right there. And we're going to do the phonetically spelled, or the word that's phonetically spelled correct. Okay, so the word is home, right? The O is saying its name. That last letter is silent, so what is it doing to the vowel? Okay, so we have home. O, Sound stops there after the 3rd sound. All right, here we go. Let's break it apart. H, O, easy enough, saying its name. M, and silent E. All right, next word is going to be the word some, right? And here is going to be in the middle is going to be this letter right there that's going to make the sound, but it is not. So we're going to pronounce this phonetically correct so our kids and children as well as students can learn to spell things correctly. So our first word and how we're going to pronounce it is soam. S-O-M. Soam. All right, here we go. S-O-M. Silent E bopper. Very much like the word soam is going to be the word come. Okay? Almost exactly like. But instead of come, we're going to say comb. Ready? K. See. Oops, did that again. K. C. O. Saying his name. After that, silent E, which jumps over to make that O say its name. All right. Our next word is going to be the word fun. 3 sounds. Go ahead. All right, let's break it apart. Letter F. U. N. Fun. Our next word, run. Run. 3 sounds. All right, my turn. R, U, Mouth is apart for It's gonna be the letter N. Last word in the CVCs, ran. Ran. Go ahead. All right, my turn. R, A, N, N. Ran. Okay, so our first multisyllabic word is going to be funny. Fun. Okay, 3 sounds in the first syllable. Sound it out. Fun. Go ahead. All right, my turn. F. U. N. Knee. Starts our sound off. E. It's not the letter E, but a different letter. What letter is at the end of a word that can make the E sound? It's going to be the letter Y. All right, our last multisyllabic word. The word is running. Okay, so we have run in the first syllable. Run. My turn. Oops. What are you? Finishes. And then we have ning. All right, now we have ning. So apologies about that last one. It's actually a 3, okay? 3 letters. All right, and now we have in the second syllable, ning. Ing. ING. Okay, there's ning. To review, we covered week 9 spelling words from Evan Moor for grade 2. We had 3 different categories, right? The first one being consonant vowel words, CV. The second are CVC words, consonant vowel consonants, and our last one were multisyllabic words. In each of those, there was different patterns. Like in our consonant vowels, we had a short vowel sound plus a long vowel sound. In addition to CVC, same thing, long vowel sounds and short vowel sounds. And then when it came to our multisyllabic words, we're now starting to apply the endings and inflectional endings in words so that we can use suffixes to better support our students at that time. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you so much. Mahalos, and I will see you on the next episode.